Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing OYO Townhouse Orlando West. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a facilities for disabled guests. OYO Townhouse Orlando West. This Ocoee hotel is just 15 minutes drive from Universal Studios and Prime Outlets Mall. It features a free 24-hour coffee station in the lobby, and outdoor pool and laundry facilities. The guest rooms at OYO Townhouse Orlando West include cable TV, free Wi-Fi and a work desk. Microwaves and fridges are also provided. SeaWorld Orlando is a 20 minutes drive from OYO Townhouse Orlando West. Walt Disney World is 15 minutes drive away. Orlando Health Central is 1 mile away while Manheim Auto Auction is 1.2 miles away from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.